What is the biggest mistake designers make when they try to earn money on YouTube? They sell time instead of building systems. They trade hours for dollars, upload, then wait and hope each new video will magically bring in clients or cash. This video is about building smart design channels, YouTube channels that use design skill plus simple systems to create reliable income. The problem it solves: turning random uploads into a real business that supports your creativity. Not more hustle, but a structure that compounds. Before we go any further, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more design business education like this. We're building a community of designers who want real businesses, not burnout. This strategy is flawed. It is not a business model, it is a hamster wheel. It creates a direct link between the hours you work and the money you earn. This approach fundamentally limits your growth and caps your income potential before you see real results. Designers are masters of their craft, solving complex visual problems with clarity. But relying on ad money is like building on shifting sand, inconsistent, unpredictable, and outside your control. Trading time for money are the golden handcuffs of hourly work. You're so busy chasing the next video, the next client, the next project, that you never build something bigger. Your superpower is creating a solution once that can be used many times. To break free, stop thinking like a freelancer. Start thinking like a business owner who builds systems that generate revenue around the clock. A smart design channel operates on a different principle altogether. Views and subscribers are not the end goal. They are the means to an end. Use your design expertise to build products and systems that earn long after a video goes live. Create digital templates for social media, UI kits, mock-up packs, icon sets, unique font families, even posters, t-shirts, and notebooks through print on demand. Leverage affiliate links for software, tools, and courses you truly use and believe in. Diversified income creates resilience and lets you earn while you sleep, on vacation, or working on your next big idea. The mistake many designers make is focusing on the wrong metrics. 10,000 engaged fans who buy are worth more than 100,000 passive viewers. Build a deep connection with a specific audience by delivering immense free value and a clear path to go deeper with a product or service. Invite viewers to participate, not just watch. One viewer at a time becomes the bedrock of a smart design channel. If this is helping you think differently about your design business, hit the like button and drop your biggest takeaway in the comments. Your insights help shape future videos for this community. One of the most persistent myths is that you must show your face to be successful. Your face is not your product. Your design skill is your product. Your ability to solve a problem for a specific audience is what will make you money, not on-screen charisma. Many top design channels are faceless: screen recordings, slick motion graphics, and voiceovers. Viewers come for the process and the outcome. The real key is your offer and the system around it. Timeless principles and popular tools keep content evergreen and make the business scalable. Because it isn't tied to your face, you can hire others to help produce, growing beyond your time. The brand becomes about the quality of the work, a powerful, scalable position. Let's break down core monetization strategies. First, digital products, the holy grail of passive income. Create once, sell infinitely with virtually no overhead. They solve recurring problems and provide instant value, easy purchases. Next, print on demand, sell physical goods without inventory or hassle. Orders are printed, packed, and shipped for you while you collect the margin. Affiliate marketing. Recommend software, tools, and courses you already use. Get paid per referral. It's authentic monetization that builds trust while generating income. A YouTube tutorial shows what to do. A course delivers the structured path to mastery. Memberships add exclusive content, recurring assets, and community. This creates predictable revenue, the financial backbone of your creative business. The core strategy: stop selling your time, build systems. Focus on a clear niche, a simple product funnel, and automated delivery. This week, pick one niche. Create one valuable freebie, a template, a small icon pack, or a one-page checklist. Set up delivery with a simple storefront and email tool. Add a clear call to action in your next video. That small system proves your skill is an asset that can scale. This is how you shift from creator hoping for views to entrepreneur building for income. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, share it with a designer who's serious about building a real business. And if you're ready to go deeper, visit TheDesignLemonade.com to access free tools, checklists, and design business education.